I want you to know what I've been doing and saan yung pera ng Pilipino napunta. Pinupuntahan ko because this is the mga multi-million projects na dapat makita ninyo. I was in Zamboanga together with Secretary Tugade at pinakita niya yung Zamboanga City Seaport Development Project. At we also inspected the Zamboanga International Airport Development Project. Puro ito magaganda. Again, to the dismay of the Davaoenos na I said na last na lang tayo kasi mahirap kung mauna ang Davao City tapos maiwan yung iba. That is always the price of delikadesa or just good behavior na tayo kasi nandito. The seat of power is here in Davao. Sometimes sabi ko, panghuli na lang tayo. Kita mo ko yung Bicol International Airport. Inuna ko talaga. Again, that is the realization sa aking sinabi ko sa cabinet member, first day pa lang, hatiin yung pera for development without considering any political or partisan. So, kaya ngayon, nakita mo, baski saan makita mo yung projects. Now,